Good morning everyone! Welcome to our place. Tuloy po kayo. Today, we are making champorado. I am calling it Half-pinoy Champorado because I don't have Tabliya. I am using Hershey's dark cocoa powder. Pero at least kasing sarap pa din siya ng ating Filipino champorado, pero dahil wala tayong tableya, ito ang ating gagamitin today. So, I'm gonna show you how I made my champorado. Right now, I am already enjoying it. My husband is eating his cereal. It's one of my favorite cereal too, the one that he's eating. Kapag wala akong time mag-champorado, usually cereal din ang kinakain ko. Pero today is a special day because I have time to make champorado. I hope you will try to watch and try the champorado recipe that I am gonna make today. Hope you like it. Naalala ko pa nung bagong dating ako dito sa Amerika, tuwang-tuwa ako nung makakita ako ng sign na champorado for sale sa isang maliit na restaurant. At dali-dali akong nag-order, ngunit sa aking pagkadismaya, nang iabot ito sa akin, ito ay nasa isang baso. Yung pala ito ay isang hot cocoa drink, hindi katulad ng ating champorado. So guys, I hope that you will try this recipe and I hope you will enjoy it. Bye!